Absolute function. Here's a multiple choice question. I'd like you to pause the video, read the question, select the answer, and then look into my suggestion. The question is, solve for x. Absolute x plus absolute x over x equals to 0. We are given 5 choices which are 1, minus 1, 0 and minus 1, 0 or no solution. Now to solve these kinds of questions, what we need to do is, we need to rewrite absolute x as a piecewise function, right? We know absolute x is actually equal to x if x is greater than or equal to 0, and it is minus x if x is less than 0, right? So whenever we are trying to solve such equation, we have to solve it in different intervals depending on what is absolute x, right? So in this particular case, the intervals are when x is greater than or equal to 0, that means it is positive, non-negative, or it is less than 0, right? Now in case x is less than 0, I can rewrite this equation, and my equation really becomes, because it is minus x, right? Absolute x as minus x plus minus x over x equals to 0. Now that gives us minus x minus 1 equals to 0, or x is equals to minus 1. Now since minus 1 is less than 0, that is our solution, right? So we have a solution, right? So we have a solution. And solution is x equals to minus 1. How about when x is greater than or equal to 0? In that case, absolute x is positive x. So we have x plus x over x equals to 0, and that gives us x plus 1 equals to 0, or x is equals to minus 1. Now minus 1 is not in this interval, right? So this is not in our interval in this particular domain, right? However, this is in the first domain, which is less than 0. So that is the only solution, right? So we get only one solution for this equation, and that is that x is equals to minus 1. So that is our answer, correct? So that is the way to solve this equation.